Hello, I am Shubham Chaudhary. In today's lecture of Pharmaceutical Chemistry 1, we are studying antimicrobial agents. Antimicrobial agents. The antimicrobial is a broad terminology describing activity against microbes. Specific terminology gives exact mode of action. First, antiseptics. Antiseptics are the substances that kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms. This is a specific for the preparation intended to be used for living tissues. Disinfectants is prevent infection by the destruction of pathogenic microorganisms. It is generally used to inanimate objects, means non-living objects. Germicide is an agent which kills microorganisms. More specific terminology like bactericide against bacteria, fungicide against fungi, and viruside means against virus that denotes exact action. Bacteriostatics is an agent which functions by inhibiting the growth of bacteria. Thus, bacteriostatic agents do not kill but stops the growth of bacteria. Mechanism of action. Inorganic compounds generally exhibit antimicrobial actions by three different mechanisms. First, by oxidation mechanism. Second, by halogenation mechanism. Third, by protein precipitation. First, oxidation mechanism. This belongs to class of peroxides, peroxyacids, oxygen liberating like permanganate. They act on the proteins containing sulfhydryl group and oxidizes free sulfhydryl to disulfide bridge and inactivate its function. Second, halogenation mechanism. Compounds which liberates chlorine or hypochlorite or iodine act by this mechanism. They act on the peptide linkages and alter its property. The destruction of specific function of protein results in death of microorganism. Protein precipitation. Many cations exhibit protein binding or protein precipitation. The interaction with protein occurs through polar group of protein which act as a ligand and metal cation as Lewis acid. The complex form may be strong chelate leading to inactivate of proteins. First, hydrogen peroxide H2O2 molecular formula and molecular weight 34. Preparation. It is prepared by adding a paste of barium peroxide in ice cold water to a calculated quantity of ice cold dilute sulfuric acid. The insoluble barium sulfate is filtered off. It is also manufactured by electrolysis process. Electrolysis of sulfuric acid to peroxysulfuric acid which is hydrolyzed to give the product. Sulfuric acid is oxidized to give peroxydisulfuric acid. Properties. Hydrogen peroxide solution is a colorless liquid with slightly acidic taste. The solution is decomposes in contact with oxidizable matter reducing agent when made alkaline or even on standing. The solution is stabilized by the addition of small amount of acid and adjusting the pH between 2 and 3. Polyvalent metal ions catalyzes decomposition of hydrogen peroxide and complexing agent prevent it by acting as stabilizer. Hydrogen peroxide acts as oxidizing or reducing agent depending upon the chemical environment. In oxidation reaction, it accepts 2 electrons. In the reduction reaction, release of 2 electrons. Decolorization of permanganate solution occurs. Storage conditions. It should be stored in light resistant container in a cool place. It is used as an antiseptic and topical anti-infective agent. It arrests the bleeding of wounds. It is used to clean the wounds and ears. Next, potassium permanganate. Molecular formula KMnO4 and molecular weight 158. Preparation: manganese dioxide is fused with solid potassium hydroxide along with the potassium chlorate. A green mass potassium magnate is obtained. The mass is cooled, is extracted with water and filtered. The filtrate is treated with carbon dioxide followed by chlorine. By this, potassium magnate is converted into potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate can also be prepared by electrically by electrolyzing warm solution of the manganate. Physical properties: it occurs in the form of deep dark blue monoclinic prismatic crystals and moderately soluble in water. The taste is sweet and astringent. Chemical properties: it is very powerful oxidizing agent both in dry state and in solution. Explosions may occur when it comes in contact with organic or other readily oxidizable materials. It acts as an oxidizing agent because it produces nascent oxygen in a solution. Storage: it should be stored in well-closed container. Uses: a potassium permanganate has a wide range of medicinal application due to its antibacterial, antifungal, germicidal, astringent properties. It has also a deodorizing action. Its 1 by 1000 solution in water is used for its powerful cleansing action in wounds, ulcers, or abscesses. Third, a gargles or mouthwashes. It is used in the form of its freshly prepared 1 in 4000 solution in water for its antiseptic action. Such solutions are also used as an anti-eczematous agent, both in eczematous conditions and as wet dressings. The 1 in 5000 or more dilute solution are normally not irritating and are used as a gastric lavage, means for stomach washout, in the treatment of poisoning by morphine, opium, strychnine and aconite. The 1% potassium permanganate is used in the bromidrosis, the secretion of foul-smelling perspiration and mycotic infection such as athlete's foot. A 5% solution has a powerful styptic action. Chlorinated lime, synonym bleaching powder, calcium chlorohypochlorite. Preparation: it is obtained by the action of chlorine on calcium hydroxide. Slaked lime is sprayed on the stable shells in a container and chlorine gas introduced at the top of the chamber and passed through the contents of the shells. It is done at 25 degrees Celsius to minimize the formation of calcium chloride. Properties: it is dull white powder with characteristic odor. An exposure to air, it absorbs moisture and decomposes by liberating chlorine. It is sparingly soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. When bleaching powder is added to water, hypochlorite goes into solution and oxygen is liberated. The oxidizing and bleaching properties are shown. Bleaching powder is incompatible with ammonium salts, sulfur, and many organic compounds. Storage conditions: it is slowly decomposing with loss of chlorine due to atmospheric carbon dioxide and moisture, and for this reason it should be stored in an airtight container. Uses: it is used as a disinfectant and bleaching agent. Chlorinated lime has bactericidal action. It is used to disinfect feces, urine, sputum, and other organic material. It is employed for disinfecting drainages. It is a powerful bleaching agent. Its powerful bleaching action must be considered while disinfecting colored materials. It is used as 1 to 2 grams per liter for sterilization of water. The treated water should be exposed to air and allowed to settle before use. Chlorinated lime is used in the preparation of surgical chlorinated soda solutions, employed as a wound disinfectant. Iodine molecular formula I2, molecular weight 253.8. Preparation of iodine. Iodine is manufactured by extracting kelp, means seaweed ash, with water, and the solution is concentrated. The sulfate and chloride of sodium and potassium are crystallized out, leaving soluble sodium and potassium iodides in the mother liquor. Sulfuric acid is added to the mother liquor, and sulfur, which is liberated from the small amount of thiosulfate and sulfide, is allowed to settle. The mother liquor is decanted, and to this MnO2 is then added and the iodine is distilled out. Impurities like iodine, chlorine, bromine, and cyanide are removed by heating crude iodine with potassium iodide. Chemical impurities. It combines directly with some nonmetals and with many heavy metals. Reducing agent reacts with aqueous iodine solution and get oxidized. Iodine reacts with alkali to form an iodide and iodate when heated. Potassium iodide dissolves large quantity of iodine in water because of the formation of polyiodide. Incompatibility. It oxidizes hypophosphite, sulfite, some metals and reducing agents, and iodine itself get reduced to iodide. It reacts with ammonia or ammoniated mercury to form explosive iodide or nitrogen. Storage conditions. It is volatile at room temperature and reacts with rubber and corks. So it should be stored in amber colored bottles with tight glass stopper and kept in a cool place. Uses. Iodine has an antimicrobial action, so its solutions are used in the treatment of wounds. It is believed that antimicrobial action is due to oxidation or iodination of microbial protein. Its activity is not selective, so in the presence of other organic materials, the action is greatly reduced. Iodine has a powerful bactericidal, fungicidal, and virucidal actions. It is generally employed as a weak iodine solution. A 2% solution of glycerol is used as application to mucous membrane. Compound iodine paint has been used as a throat paint in pharyngitis and follicular tonsillitis. Iodine ointment are applied as a counter-irritant in rheumatism and tenosynovitis, the inflammation of the tendons and its sheath. Iodine is an essential trace element in the human diet. It is required in diseases due to deficiency of iodine, for example like goiter. Iodine and iodides are used in the conjunction with antithyroid agent in the preparation in the operative treatment of thyrotoxicosis in the form of aqueous iodine solution. Solutions of iodine. Iodine is insoluble in water, but it is soluble in water in presence of potassium or sodium iodide due to the formation of polyiodides. The following are the solution preparation containing iodine. First, strong iodine solution that contains 10% weight by volume solution of iodine. Weak iodine solution that contains 2% weight by volume solution of iodine. Aqueous iodine solution that contains 5% weight by volume solution of iodine. Iodine tincture by United States Pharmacopoeia. Mendel's paint. Strong iodine solution or strong tincture of iodine contains 10% weight by volume solution of iodine and 6% weight by volume solution of potassium iodide in alcohol. Weak solution of iodine. Weak tincture of iodine contains 2.5% of weight by volume solution of iodine and 2.5% weight by volume solution of potassium iodide in alcohol. Aqueous solution of iodine means Lugol's solution that contains 5% weight by volume solution of iodine and 10% weight by volume solution of potassium iodide in water. Iodine tincture (USP) contains 2% weight by volume solution of iodine and 2.4% weight by volume solution of potassium iodide and alcohol 50 ml and water up to 100 ml. It is used for the external use only. Mandel's paint contains 1.25% weight by volume solution of iodine in glycerin. Glycerin is used to hold the iodine in the applied area, for example, throat. All the above solutions are used as an antiseptic and disinfectant. Povidone iodine (PVP) iodine or polyvinyl pyrrolidone iodine complex. It is a complex of polyvinyl pyrrolidone and iodine containing not less than 9% and not more than 12% weight by volume of available iodine. The complex is yellowish-brown amorphous powder and has slight characteristic odor. Its aqueous solution is acid to litmus. It is soluble in alcohol but insoluble in organic solvents. It is available in aerosols and solutions. The solution is transparent liquid having reddish-brown color and a pH of not more than 6. Uses Its use are similar to iodine. It is used in the treatment of contaminated wounds and for preoperative antiseptic skin and vagina. It has been used in gargles and mouthwashes for the treatment of infections in the oral cavity. It is useful in the herpes infection, vaginal infection, and other pyogenic means first forming or seborrheic infection of the scalp or skin and eczema. Borax Na2B4O7 10H2O molecular weight 381.37. It is known as the sodium borate. Preparation: the mineral colemanate is mixed with sodium sulfate and heated to redness but not to fusion in a rotary furnace. This mass has cooled. Borax is dissolved in water and allowed to crystallize after removing insoluble calcium sulfate. The mineral borocalcite is also converted into borax by this method. Properties: borax occurs as a colorless, odorless crystals or as a white crystalline powder that has sweetish alkaline taste. It effloresces in warm dry air. It is soluble in water and more in boiling water and in glycerin. It is soluble in alcohol also. On heating, it loses part of water of hydration. It is hydrolyzed partially to sodium metaborate and boric acid. Uses of borax: borax has a fair bacteriostatic action similar to that of boric acid. It is not used internally. It has mild astringent action when applied externally. It was formerly used as a gargles and mouthwash in stomatitis, as a eye wash in inflammatory conditions of eye, and also as a solution of dressing of wounds. Excessive use may cause toxic effect also. It has been used as an emulsifying agent with beeswax in cold creams. It is used as a mild alkali to remove stains from clothing. Borax is used for softening small volumes of hard water and for control of pH in soap powder. Silver nitrate molecular formula AgNO3 and molecular weight 169.9. Preparation of silver nitrate: it is prepared by Action of dilute nitric acid on pure silver. 3 parts of silver are added to the solution of 25% nitric acid and warm. Then it is heated to expel the nitrous fumes, filtered and evaporated until it is dry. Its properties: it occurs as a colorless crystalline compound, odorless, having bitter in taste. When it is exposed to air or organic matter, it turns gray or grayish black. It is more soluble in water and alcohol. When it is heated, it melts at 212 degrees Celsius to yellowish liquid, and when heated further, it decomposes into metallic silver with evolution of Na2 and O2. Silver mirror test. Ammonium hydroxide with silver nitrate forms silver ammonium complex. To this solution, if reducing agent like glucose is added, the silver ions are reduced to metallic silver and silver mirror is formed. Incompatibilities. It is incompatible with reducing agents, tartrates, sugars, and tannins. In neutral and alkaline conditions, precipitation results with halides, borax, hydroxide, phosphates, and sulfates. It has been used as a caustic to destroy warts and small skin growths. It is also used as an application in non-specific infections. Gauze or similar dressings soaked in a 0.5% solution of silver nitrate is applied to a severe burn to reduce infection. Its aqueous solution 0.2 to 0.6% is used as eye lotions. 1% solution for eye drops is used to prevent ophthalmia neonatorum in newborn babies. Dilute solution have been used as mouthwashes to help quit smoking. Ammoniacal silver nitrate is used in a dentistry as a protective of dentate. Mild silver protein. It is a preparation with silver available in colloidal form by the presence of protein or in combination with it. It contains not less than 19% and not more than 23% of the silver. Its preparation: it is prepared by silver salt with an excess of denaturated protein like serum albumin, casein, or gelatin. The product is dried and vacuumed and stored in amber colored bottle. It is dark brown, blackish shining scales on granules, odorless and hygroscopic in nature. It is soluble in water but insoluble in alcohol, ether, and chloroform. Storage conditions: it is stored in tightly closed amber color glass containers in dry and dark place. Disodium edetate (EDTA) in 10 mg per ml is used as a stabilizer for aqueous solution. Uses: aqueous solution of 1 to 2% are used as antibacterial. For rhinitis, tonsillitis, it is used in a 0.5 to 10% concentration. Only freshly prepared solutions are to be used since it has less free silver ions. It is effective antimicrobial and slow, less irritating and astringent effect. Mercury, molecular formula Hg and molecular weight 200.6. Preparation: it occurs naturally as a sulfide called cinnabar. It is obtained by roasting cinnabar in a current of air. It is shining silvery white heavy liquid and extremely mobile, practically insoluble in water, alcohol, and hydrochloric acid, but completely soluble in nitric acid and boiling sulfuric acid. It boils at 350 degrees Celsius. It is stored because of it is volatile. It should be stored in tightly closed container in a cool place. Uses: mercury forms amalgams with gold, silver, zinc, and cadmium, which are used in the dentistry. Inorganic mercury preparations are used as antiseptic, diuretic, and purgatives. The antiseptic action of mercury compound is based on the ability of the mercury ion to precipitate. The diuretic effect of some mercury compound is described as when excreted via the kidneys. They stimulate the kidneys epithelium and facilitate urination. The purgative effect of some mercury compound is due to stimulating effect. When excreted via intestine, mercury is no more used as such because it is extremely poisonous and prolonged inhalation of even very minute amounts of mercury can prove fatal. Mercury is used in thermometers and barometers. Mercury is also used as a catalyst in certain organic reactions. Yellow mercuric oxide, molecular formula HgO and molecular weight 216.6. Preparation: it is prepared by pouring concentrated solution of mercury chloride into a dilute solution of sodium hydroxide with constant agitation. This is then allowed to stand at room temperature for about an hour. Then the supernatant liquid is decanted off and precipitate is washed with water until the washings are free from alkali. The yellow precipitate is collected and dried on absorbent paper at 30 degrees Celsius. The above steps are carried out in dark place to get a bright orange-yellow product. Properties: it is an orange-yellow heavy amorphous powder. It is odorless and get decolorizes on the exposure to light. It is practically insoluble in water and alcohol but readily soluble in dilute hydrochloric acid and dilute nitric acid. On heating to red, it decomposes into oxygen and vapor of metallic mercury. It is it should be stored in tightly closed container and protected from light. Uses: yellow mercuric oxide has an antibacterial action and has been used in eye ointments for the treatment of eye infections like blepharitis, that is the inflammation of the edges of the eyelid margins, and conjunctivitis. Such ointment should not be used for the prolonged periods as mercury may be absorbed by the eye. Yellow mercuric oxide, due to its insolubility, slowly releases mercuric ions, providing mild sustained antibacterial action. This property is employed in yellow mercuric oxide ophthalmic ointment, poured in tightly closed containers and protected from light. Ammoniated mercury, molecular formula NH2HgCl and molecular weight 252.1. Its preparation: it is prepared by adding 5% mercury chloride solution to a mixture of 4 parts of dilute ammonia and 20 parts of the water with constant stirring. The precipitate is cooled and washed with cold water and dried below 30 degrees Celsius. Properties: it is white amorphous powder and it is odorless, darkens on exposure to light. It is practically insoluble in water, alcohol and ether. It is used ammoniated mercury. Ammoniated mercury is used as an anti-infective agent in the form of ointment. The ointment is applied to the perianal region around the anus to destroy threadworms and prevent reinfection. It was formerly used as a dusting powder in eczemas and parasitic skin disorders such as crab loss infections, impetigo, psoriasis, and ringworm infection. Ammoniated mercury is highly poisonous. Zinc sulfate as an emetic together with milk in an antidote for accidental ingestion. Thank you.